Friends, my meat birds got out. They were hungry, and so they broke through and came this way to let me know they wanted food. So, actually, little did they know that I was planning on coming and get 30 of them tonight anyhow, because they are going to the processor tomorrow. I am taking 30 meat birds about an hour and a half from here to get processed by an FDA approved facility, because I am selling 30 of my meat birds to the extension office. So let's go ahead and collect 30 of these meat birds. 2 down, 28 to go. Here we have number 30. They're all caged up in the garage, and tomorrow morning I will be taking them off to be processed. Now I gotta come back and get these guys inside. Alright, so I got all 30 in cages now. I need to get the rest of these guys in the fencing, so I'm gonna go ahead and feed them, and I bet you they'll all come running in. They're not the brightest. I've had to put this down, and still they're running around it versus coming in. Darn chickens. Alright, I got them all inside, and I did a quick head count, and I got exactly 50 chickens that I counted in there, plus the 30 that we've got in the cages, so that's 80 altogether. And when we first got them, I counted 84, and I know for sure we lost one. And my husband and I were just talking yesterday, wondering if maybe we lost any to any predators, maybe aerial predators or anything. And so from what I've counted, oh, and another one, so we lost one, and we pulled one because she couldn't walk anymore, and we put her inside the garage. So in total that's 52 that I have accounted that are in here, plus the 3, so 82 total. So I'm missing 2. So that means 2 we lost to a predator of some sort, whether it came in and got them or something. But from what I've counted, only 2, which isn't bad. That's not bad at all. So, alright friends, so they are going to be put to bed, and they are going to go until Saturday. Today is Tuesday. We won't process them until Saturday. But the 30 that I've got, we're taking them to Morehead tomorrow, and I'll bring you all along with me while we take them to the processor. Alright friends, it is processing morning for our 30 meat birds. I'm about ready to take them to Morehead for processing. Hubby and I already got them loaded up. I've got them loaded up right here, and then I've got a stinky 11 in the back seat of my truck, and they do not smell pretty, so this truck is not gonna smell pretty. Hopefully they don't poop on my truck, inside my truck. All right, let's head out. Well, friends, it's time to pick up our meat birds from the butcher.
Do you want to put this on top, the bag of ice on top?
Yeah.
Stay with us and seen her and taped her whole operation and that. It was really cool.
Yeah, that'd be cool to be able to do that.
You have some really nice big chickens here.
Thank you. Are they bigger than what you normally do?
Bigger than what we usually do, yes.
Really?
Yes, I say by 3 to 4 pounds. Usually we're at like 7 to 8 weeks. Usually 3 to 4 pounds. Okay.
These were 8 weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, really? 8 weeks?
8 weeks. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
You must just be pouring feed to them, or just that type of bird that grows like that?
They're a Cornish Cross.
Okay.
So they are meant to be big, fat meat birds. Yeah. The feed I've been feeding them was Dumore 24%, and they should be that much because they're frozen. Yeah. I'd feed them the first 3 weeks constantly. Like I was constantly feeding them. Yep. And then after that, I was feeding about twice a day.
Now, is this your first experience with chickens, or have you already been doing it for quite a while?
We normally process our own chickens.
Okay.
But we are selling them to our extension office.
Right. So
because they are doing a food to table dinner, so they have to be certified. Yeah. USDA, FDA, all that fun stuff. So
you have Featherman equipment.
Yeah.
The plucker, scalder, and
plucker, scolder. Yep.
Okay, so yeah, we have the same equipment here.
Yeah. Yeah, we've been doing our meat birds probably about 8 years. Right. And
you guys do lambs here as well?
No. Right now we're just doing turkey, chickens, turkeys, and then come November, well actually September and October, when bow season, we do deer.
All right, we're bringing in all of the 30 meat birds. All right, all these meat birds are going in the freezer for the extension office. The guy said these were good size. The guy that processes said that our batch was the biggest batch that he's ever seen. He's never seen chickens come out 4 to 5 pounds. Normally he gets 3 to 4 pounds, but ours were 4 to 5 pounds. All right, so this is the biggest one out of the batch that we checked, 6.1 pounds. That's a big chicken. And we got these processed at Sugarloaf Mountain Meat, and they do only poultry right now and also deer during deer season, but it's a good sized chicken right here, 6.1 pounds. All right, so that's 30 chickens for the extension office, and they're gonna be doing a farm to table in September, and this will be the protein that they're gonna be using for that meal. I'm really excited, and I plan on going to that dinner. All right, friends, so we just got home after dropping off all those meat birds at the extension office. So 30 in total went to the extension office for that farm to table. And then tomorrow morning, hubby, myself, my father-in-law, and then our neighbor Junior is gonna come over, and we are gonna start processing the remainder of our 50 meat birds. Let me show you how plumpy these guys have gotten. Look at that guy over there. So these chickens are just over 8 weeks old, which is plenty big enough. Honestly, we probably could have processed them last week and it would have been fine. But processing day is tomorrow. So tomorrow I will bring y'all along as we process all these meat birds. But for this video, friends, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.